Bundled plugin channels. The channels that ship with OpenClaw releases as plugins, loaded on demand rather than always on. Let me walk through them, and when you would actually reach for each, the roster: BlueBubbles, Facial, Line, Matrix, Mattermost, Microsoft Teams, Nextcloud Talk, Nostr, QQBot, Synology Chat, Toolon, Twitch, Zalo Personal, long list. Why bundled as plugin instead of first class? Two reasons. One, the channel is regional or niche, and most users will not use it. Two, the channel has heavy dependencies that are not needed by everyone. Keeps the base install lean. How to enable a bundled plugin channel. Same as configuring any other channel. Add a block under channels.channel-name in your configuration. Set enable to true. Provide the channel specific credentials. The gateway loads the plugin on demand and brings the channel up. Pretty smooth. A few specific channels worth a closer look. BlueBubbles, the recommended new path for iMessage. You install the BlueBubbles server on a Mac that stays online. Your gateway, possibly running on a different machine, talks to the BlueBubbles server via webhook. iMessage flows in, agent responses flow out. No reliance on the legacy MSG command line tool. The downside is you do need a Mac that stays awake. Trade-off: Matrix, the federated chat protocol. Worth setting up if you run a self-hosted Matrix home server, or if you are part of a community that uses Matrix. The gateway supports E2EE with bootstrap and verification flows. You can pair with rooms, set per room overrides, and use / commands. Microsoft Teams. The configuration uses msteams as the path, not Teams. Setup is more involved than most channels, honestly. You register an Azure bot, configure an app ID and secret, set up the webhook endpoint, sideload the Teams app in your tenant. Production deployments need single tenant configuration after July 2025, when multi-tenant gets deprecated. Plan for that. Mattermost. Same shape as Slack, mostly. If you self-host Mattermost, you can wire OpenClaw in with similar mechanics to a Slack app. Nextcloud Talk. Useful for Nextcloud hosting environments. Lightweight integration. Nostr. Decentralized social protocol. Less commonly used as an agent surface but supported. Twitch. Livestream chat. Useful for streamer agent setups. Zalo and Zalo Personal. Two separate channels. Zalo is the sanctioned business API path. Zalo Personal is the unsanctioned protocol. Similar to how WhatsApp works. Different scopes, different limits. A practical note. Bundled plugin channels can be hot reloaded into a running gateway. You add the channel block to configuration, save, and the gateway loads the plugin and brings the channel up. No restart needed. Really nice. That closes module 8. In the next module, we look at voice surfaces. Voice wake, talk mode, OpenAI real time, the audio side of OpenClaw. See you in the next one.